Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent. I was a teaching instructor while I was there, and I'd love to give you information on my channel. I've been doing this a long time. I wrote a book. It's an Amazon bestseller on Amazon on IRS settlements, but I'm here to talk to you about tax relief firms. The industry really makes me sick. It really does. I've been doing this work since 1973, so you can understand the amount of information that I have. I worked 10 years at IRS, and I've seen this industry evolve. As a matter of fact, in the book that I've written, I kind of expose a little of the tax relief industry. It's a shocking, some shocking truth that you have to know. Whether you use me, whoever you use, you have to have this information, because a lot of these tax resolution companies are owned by big firms. They load up with salespeople, they load up with advertising and marketing, and they're about this far from being criminal. They stay just enough truth in their ads to make you think that they can go ahead and take care of your IRS problem. For instance, there's one ad that they have that IRS writes off millions of dollars a year, thinking that, yeah, IRS writes it off because, yeah, there's settlements, but that's not why IRS writes off millions of dollars. While the statement's true, they write the money off because the statute of limitations is over. So the shocking truth is you have to be really, really careful if you need a firm. I would also have a firm that has someone's name attached, not a big generic name of a firm. There's a lot of California companies that just have names of a big, like an Optima Tax, for instance, or Alleviate, something like that. I'm not saying anything about those firms. I'm just saying be careful if there's just a name, because you want to have a person responsible for your work, a person you can actually contact. And many times you read the ad, you have an emotional response, you go ahead and hit it, and you think something's going to happen. The salesman confirms they know what your needs are, they know exactly what buzz words to hit, and then your case goes south with these companies. So be really careful if you don't want to be fooled. The easiest way, or I would say the most truthful or the most discerning way, is to look the person in the eye, just like we're doing right now, and hire a person based on that. Anything else, you may be shocked to find out when you've been ripped off. Many of them mean good, but they just don't have a system in place, nor the people to pull off what the ad says. So be really careful. Give me a subscription. I always tell you the truth. I always tell you the inside scoop. Thank you so much. I appreciate your time. If you need me, I work larger cases. You're welcome to contact me. Thank you. And don't be afraid to call. A lot of people say, oh, I don't know whether I should call you. Well, just send me an email. I do answer all my emails, and I try to get the voice messages during the day. Thank you.